Manchester United, Wolverhampton Wanderers, the bottom side in the Premier League. A mid-table side versus the bottom side in the Premier League. This is a one-way street. There is nothing that will happen. We've seen recently when Wolves played Arsenal at the Emirates Stadium, they do gaga, you understand now, they do initial gaga, but they were defeated 2-1, but they made it difficult for Arsenal. Against Liverpool also, they made it difficult for Liverpool. They lost 2-1. Against Brentford, they were defeated thoroughly. So because against United, firstly, they were defeated thoroughly. They will come against United because they believe that United are not a team that they are not very good like that. They are not a big side currently. So they want to fancy their chances against United. But United will beat Wolves. If United don't beat Wolves, they should disband Manchester United. They will beat Wolverhampton Wanderers. There's not too much this match. There's not too much analysis or to paralysis. There's no Bruno Fernandes, no Brian Mbeumo, no Matheus De Ligt, no Harry Maguire, Evan and Lenny Yoro, and maybe what is it called? The centre back. This look sure, but they will still beat Wolverhampton Wanderers. They will beat Wolverhampton Wanderers because they are the poorest side in the Premier League. They are going on the record with this Wolverhampton Wanderers. They are looking like the team that will break that Derby County record. That will be the worst side in Premier League history. Worst side in Premier League history. Because everybody is beating Wolves. Manchester United should beat Wolverhampton Wanderers at Stamford, at Old Trafford. They will beat Wolverhampton Wanderers at Old Trafford. The first leg for them, they smash Wolves by 4 goals. This match, they should win comfortably, easily. But you've seen recently, Wolves are going away to at least decent side, and those teams are finding it difficult to beat them, but they always find a way to beat these Wolves. So United should find a way to beat Wolverhampton Wanderers.